Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Plum Deluxe. This is organic tea subscription. So they have two different subscriptions. One tea per month subscription is $10. You get one ounce tea of seasonal tea, and it makes approximately 15 to 20 cups. And then you also get a sample of like a second tea from their shop. And if you want more than that, you can get two 1 ounce teas and a sample per month. And that's only 16, so that's a pretty good deal. So they did let me go on their website, take a look, and tell them which ones I thought I would like to try. So I do have some seasonal ones here. And we have some instructions on how to make the tea and a coupon code. Free shipping forever. Very awesome. So the ones that I have as far as seasonal, the first one we have is Spicy Caramel Apple Herbal Tea, which I bet sounds amazing. Has everything in here that's included and the steeping times. So I'm going to try all these and let you know what I think as well at the end of the video. Next one is a pumpkin spice tea, which who doesn't love pumpkin spice? That has low caffeine, it says. And then this other one, I said I really love licorice tea, and I feel like that's hard to find, and it is so good. So they said, well, what about this one? The Wise Counsel Herbal Tea. It has olive leaf, lemongrass, licorice root. So has lots of stuff in it, and it's caffeine free. So I think I'm going to try that one first, but I will be back. I'm going to steep all of them and let you know which one's my favorite and what I think about it. Okay, so here's all the teas. The first one that I tried was the one that has the licorice root in it. So this one is real subtle tea, but I can pick up a little bit on the licorice, so that's really light and good. And then I did the pumpkin spice tea. I don't really feel like it tastes like pumpkin spice, but it is very good, and there's like cinnamon and ginger and cloves, so it's a nice fall type tea. And then this one I think might be my favorite, Spicy Caramel Apple Herbal Tea. Definitely picked up on, I call it Rubios, but I know that's not how you say it. I just can't pronounce it, and people have tried to teach me, it just, my brain is like, no. But that's a really good red tea, and that's what I could pick up on for that one, and I like it. So I do not add sugar to any of my teas. I try not to add sugar to anything, but if this had like sugar or honey in it, it would of course enhance all of them. So if you guys are interested, I definitely recommend them. Give them a try. Check out their website. I will put all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.